Hello everyone, in this episode I will share these cute letters. It's from my best friend Amey in May 2020. And this handmade envelope is cute and amazing. Let's open it! It's decorated by crescent moon and shining stars. Make it extra cute by sliding envelope. My kind of satisfaction. What I like the most is the glitter because it's too pretty, and to be honest, it's one of my favorite. And the letter is so thick and private, including 9 number of questions and answers. Let's just counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pages. It's decorated with splatters, indigo paint, and the letter talk about plastic surgery, COVID-19, her opinion about my scenes, and her dream room with crystal lamps and balcony just like Letters to Juliet film. First bonus is biscuit filled with milk flavor cream up from Meiji. It's answer because I already ate it. And it's memorable pencils because we use this kind of pencils in elementary school. It's so cute with a soft tune and also the mirror. The mirror just right in back. Hello. Along with 48 pieces of rainbow pencil refils with the meow on it. And the last bonus that I'm really excited, it's her original scenes me and makeup. It's amazing because it's make with a real glitter, real cosmetic, real eyelash in the cover. You can see how it shines. It's also full of makeup information that I didn't know before. First pages is how to make your eyes more attractive. I don't know because I cannot use any contact lens again because my eyes get irritated and it's sad. In this page she asked me about one of my favorite eyes colors. I think I will choose this. And this one is the type of fake eyelash. I don't know anything about it. Now let us see. Don't let Corona ruin your mascara. So true, lady.